Hello everybody, how are you? I am Zeph and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we will be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today's question is, according to explanations provided on the help screens for the production cost report, if a company pays a pet member a base wage of $18,000, a $60 quarterly bonus for perfect attendance, and annual fringe benefits of $200 $2,500 if a pet is paid $1 incentive bonus per camera assembled, and if a pet assemblies 12,000 cameras per year or 3,000 cameras per quarter, then the annual compensation cost of a single pet member and a fully staffed pet would be. The correct answer to the question is $23,740 and $94,960. So that the correct answer of the question. If you any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.